Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at how to replace a headlight and the taillight. We all know how important these are, especially during conditions of reduced visibility, such as foggy mornings, rainy days, or at night, and when the sun goes down. Properly functioning headlights and taillights are not just for our benefit, but also to ensure other drivers can see our vehicle on the road to avoid accidents. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process of replacing your vehicle's headlight and the taillight bulbs. And before you start the job, always ensure that your vehicle is switched off and has been given ample time to cool down to avoid accidental burns from hot parts or any electrical issues. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about what you'll need to successfully replace your headlight or taillight. First and foremost, you'll need a new headlight or taillight bulb. This is vital to get the correct bulb for your specific vehicle model. You can typically find this information in your car's manual or online. Next, depending on your vehicle model, you'll either need a screwdriver or a wrench to access the light assembly. Some models may require additional tools, so do check your manual or consult a professional if you're unsure. And last but definitely not least, consider your safety. I recommend wearing safety gloves to protect your hands and safety eyewear to shield your eyes from any potential hazards. Remember, safety should always be your priority when working on your vehicle. With all these tools and parts ready, you're all set to begin replacing your headlight or taillight bulb. Now let's look at the basics of headlights and taillights in car. So before you start working on your car, it's vital to understand the basic parts of a headlight and taillight assembly. Essentially, each assembly is made up of a bulb that fits into a housing. The housing is designed to reflect and direct the light out onto the road in the most efficient way. The bulb itself is often encased in a removable cartridge for easy replacement. In terms of the headlights, there are typically two types of bulbs: a high beam bulb that is brighter and illuminates at a greater distance, and a low beam bulb that is used for regular nighttime driving and is less intense. The taillight assembly, on the other hand, typically houses the taillight bulb, brake light, and turn signals, each serving their own specific function for communication on the road. How can you tell if your headlight or taillight needs replacement? Most commonly, a bulb simply stops working, and it's very noticeable, especially at night. However, other signs could indicate a bulb is on its way out, such as dim lighting or flickering. It's also a good idea to do a routine check of your lights every so often. You can do this by turning on your car's lights and walking around the vehicle, or by parking close to a reflective surface like a wall or garage door. Let's get into the step-by-step process of replacing a headlight bulb. Step 1. Access the back of the headlight. To start, open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Step 2. Remove the power wires. Next, you're going to remove the power connector or wires attached to the bulb. Usually, these can be removed by pressing down on a clip and gently pulling the connector out. Step 3. Remove the old bulb. With the wires disconnected, you can now remove the old bulb. This typically involves twisting the bulb counterclockwise and then pulling it out. Remember to use your gloves here to avoid cutting yourself on any sharp pieces if the bulb is broken. Step 4. Install the new bulb. Now that the old bulb is out, you can install the new one. Handle the new bulb with clean gloves to prevent oil from your skin from getting onto the bulb. Push it into the socket and twist clockwise until it is secure. Step 5. Reconnect the power wires. Once the new bulb is in place, reconnect the power wires or connector that you removed earlier. Step 6. Test your new bulb. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. If it lights up, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. In the next section, we'll go over how to replace a taillight bulb, which follows a similar but slightly different process. How to replace car taillight. Step 1. Access the back of the taillight. You can usually access the taillight assembly from the trunk or the back of your vehicle. Look for access panels or covers that can be removed. Step 2. Remove the taillight assembly. Depending on your car's make and model, you may need to unscrew or unclip the assembly to access the bulb. Step 3. Remove the old bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise and gently pull it out of the socket. Step 4. Install the new bulb. Install the new bulb by pushing it into the socket and twisting it clockwise. Again, remember to use gloves to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the bulb. Step 5. Reinstall the taillight assembly. Once you've installed the new bulb, put the taillight assembly back in place, securing it with the screws or clips you removed earlier. Step 6. Test your new bulb. Just as we did with the headlight, turn on your vehicle's lights to ensure your new taillight bulb is working properly. Common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake people make when replacing bulbs is not wearing gloves, which can lead to accidental cuts or damage to the bulb from skin oils. Also, ensure that the bulb is seated properly. If it's not, it could come loose or not function properly. Safety should be your top priority in all vehicle maintenance tasks. Always disconnect your car's battery before starting. Don't force the bulb into its socket, and ensure the car is turned off and cool before you begin working. So that's a wrap for this tutorial. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on all our future videos. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.